Welcome to BlinkLink, an iBlink can change lives, empowering the elderly and paralyzed through iBlink detection.
Let's explore the challenges faced by these specially challenged people and how BlinkLink provides a simple yet an effective solution.
Let me introduce you to the team. I am Ayantaka Mukherjee of class 10th.
And I'm Om Nirmalkar from class 9th.
We have developed a solution for those who need it the most. Like every single day, millions of paralyzed and elderly individuals struggle with basic tasks such as turning on the lights, switching off the fans, and etc. For them, these basic tasks are next to impossible.
They always have to rely on others, losing their independence and dignity.
And the solutions currently available? They are either too complicated or very expensive to afford. These so-called solutions add more helplessness to the lives of their people by the complex technologies they have used.
This is not just a problem, it's a crisis. We really need a solution that is affordable, simple, and effective.
This is where BlinkLink comes in. We have developed a solution that is simple yet effective.
BlinkLink uses AI, computer vision, and other technologies which then convert a blink into a signal. This signal then controls the home appliances which are selected by the user.
Unlike other complicated technologies, our BlinkLink is super user friendly and easy to use. जहाँ दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजीज को ऑपरेट करना इतना मुश्किल होता है, our BlinkLink is super simple to use, which makes our work by हाथ. Oh no, I'm sorry. पलक झपकने का खेल.
Let us see how our solution works. Input. Firstly, a simple webcam captures the face of the user. This simple input is the starting point of our system.
Processing, AI then analyzes the blink patterns to understand the user's intent.
Finally, the output, the blink is then converted into a signal which then controls the home
To make
appliance.
BlinkLink a reality, we are having a clear and strategic plan. Firstly, we plan to present our model to the government to show our model, approval and support.
Next, we'll do an in-depth analysis on our target audience and fine-tune our model based on real needs. And then finally, we'll enhance and deploy our model.
BlinkLink is just the start. We plan to enhance our model to allow our users to use BlinkLink on a wide range of devices. One of our key future enhancement would be converting BlinkLink into a wearable spectacle.
Imagine controlling your home appliances with just a blink from your glasses. This will make the project even more simple and effective.
BlinkLink is more than just a technological innovation.
Our mission is to restore the dignity and independence of these specially abled people.
With this technology, a blink can change lives. Thank you.